Hi everyone, today we will create a brand's logo slider and add it to our Shopify store. We can place it anywhere on the page. These banners are pretty popular in modern e-commerce marketing because it's the simplest way to build trust, and trust helps to boost conversions. Best way to create this banner is by using Fab Scrolling logo app. I will add the link to the description to this video. You can find it in the Shopify store, and after install, go to the app's dashboard. Here we go. On the first tab, I will activate my apps widget, so the banner will be visible on the storefront of the live website where we add it. I press activate button and automatically redirect to my store. Then I just need to check that this option is on and press save button. After that, close this window and go back to the app. Okay, let's create our first banner. I press create button. On the left side we have all the settings. On the right we see the preview. It's also option to make a classic logo grid without animation, but in our case we want to use a trendy option with scrolling marquee effect. Okay, I will delete placeholders with logos and upload my own logos. I recommend to use SVG format. It works the best and looks crisp on the retina screens. You can optionally add also the links to your logos. I will just left it blank and upload my logos one by one. Great, I see the preview. Let's go forward and upload last logos. Number 4 and number 5. Okay, I have awesome scrolling logo banner. I will save my changes and ready to add it to my store. Before I do that, I will show also you a couple of core settings. The app is really flexible, so you probably can do everything here. We are interested in our title, trusted by happy clients. Let's just trusted by and add the title like 1000 happy clients. You can delete all this text, just left only logos, use only title, up to you. I can also leave the title on the left side, but I will use the classic structure and place it on the top. Okay, let's a little bit slow down our animation, change direction of movement, and go to style settings. Here we can change background color. Let's use a green color, just light green one. Okay, here we can change the patterns. I will make it a little bit bigger. I will make logos larger. Add some more spacing between logos. And as the settings I will left by default. Now time to place our banner to the store. Let's go to placement tab. Save our banner with last changes. Banner updated. Will take up a minute to changes go live. Okay. We have a Shopify theme 2.0, so we just copy our banner ID and press go to theme editor button. Now we will be redirected to the store. You can also do it manually by going to store settings. App automatically adds a section with the apps widget. I click on Fab Logo banner and just copy paste my unique code to the banner ID. I see that preview is visible, all good. On the same way, you can add multiple banners. You can also place it where you want on the page. I will move it to the top after and place it at the hero section. It's the more classic position for these banners. I can also place them on the other pages the same way. Okay, so let's save it and go to the store to check if it was added successfully. Yes, I see that banner was added. Great work. It was really simple and quick. So please press like button and see you on the next tutorials.